Welcome back. Now you know what adverbs are, how they work, and how to form them. Also that both adjectives and adverbs describe other words, but there is a key difference. Adjectives describe nouns. For example, are you a good cook? He has a loud voice. My computer is so slow. Adverbs describe everything else: verbs, adjectives, adverbs, and whole sentences. That sounds easy, right? So let's test your skills. Look at 4 sentences. Is the word in red an adjective or an adverb? It's unlikely that we'll be there on time. I found the exam really hard. I worked really hard preparing for the exam. He hardly studied at all, but he got a high score. Pause the video if you want more time to think about it. Unlikely and hard are adjectives. Hard and hardly are adverbs. Did you get the right answers? If you want to understand word order rules in depth, you need to divide adverbs into 5 different categories. Adverbs of manner describe a verb. They describe how someone does something. For example, fast, lazily, or well. Adverbs of time and place describe where or when something happens. For example, yesterday, here, or in 5 minutes. Adverbs of frequency describe how often something happens. For example, often, sometimes, or never. Adverbs of degree mostly add information to other adjectives or adverbs. For example, very, to, or a little. Comment adverbs describe a whole sentence or situation. For example, unfortunately, basically, or obviously. Here you have 5 categories of adverb. Mostly, where you put the adverbs depends on the type of adverb it is. Look at 5 sentences and put the adverb in the right place. Pause the video and start again when you think you have the answers.